Have you ever noticed that the skin on your neck seems to age faster than the skin on your face? I bet you're checking on that right now. I'm sure you've heard of the terms turkey neck, crepey neck, saggy neck, our favorites. In fact, the skin on the neck does age faster than the skin on your face due to sun elements, environmental aging, wear and tear, and it can be repaired. My name is Lisa Lewis, and I've been working with the Sagging products for about 30 years. Today we're going to focus on the neck and the product called Biosyl. So before we start the massage of your neck, it's important to stretch. What I recommend is just gently stretching it at a slight angle to the right and then to the left along your lymphatic. You want to just, again, slight tilt, and that's a good way to warm up the neck. Continuing with the warm up, we want to just extend our chin slightly. In the old days, we used to do something that I would never recommend now, and that was going up. Again, you never want to overstretch your skin. We're trying to create better collagen and elasticity. So just a 50% extension. Biosyl is a restorative wrinkle cream that combines Sagging's breakthrough modern skincare science, epidermal growth factor, and peptides. These peptides are very powerful botanical antioxidants to stimulate the skin's regeneration and reduce the appearance of scars, wrinkles, and age lines. You have lymph nodes along the chin. So what we want to do is we want to start by directing all of the toxins by gravitational pull of the neck. Again, pull slightly in the back, and now we're going to go up at an angle, working on the muscles. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, phase 3, is I'm going to actually pull slightly again along the jawline, and we're going to start sculpting. Okay, you can actually separate your fingers and just clench the jawline and move in upward strokes. As you can see, you're contouring the jawline and you're creating that beautiful sculpted look. You can actually apply pressure under here and just go in an upward motion. So just to wrap things up, it only takes a few minutes a day to take years off your face and your neck. As long as it takes to brush your teeth. You can do it in the morning as you're doing your cleansing routine, or you could do it at night a few minutes before you go to bed. Always using Biosyl to create that sculpted look, create more collagen elasticity, and you'll be set.